The Quarai Ruins is the last stop of the 3 historic Salinas Pueblo Missions sites we visited in central New Mexico. This one had the tallest remaining structure of the 3 sites and was a great way to end this little exploration of the area. There's the parking area, and we're at the last one. Quarai, there we go, right there. And you can see the ruins right there through the visitor center. Again, another visitor center closed. That's what it looks like inside. And then on the other side, let's go check out the ruins. Little loop. You can see there's a little signage that shows you where the trail goes. This one has a nice peaceful area with the trees. And as we're coming up to this one, this is a bad sign. Looks like the area is closed. That stinks. But let's just take a look at it and get an idea of what the entire area looks like. It's kind of nice. And you can see over there, they're not letting people in. There's tents set up. So looks like they're trying to reconstruct the area. So we just spoke to someone, and actually you're allowed to go in here. Just don't go where they're working. That's why it's good to talk to people. That is really cool. Look at this thing. Look at the size of this.
Did they just like use a ladder?
Probably ladders, that's what I'm guessing.
No.
This one's really cool. It is really tall. As far as the large structures goes, it's probably the most intact large structures of the 3 that we visited. So check this one out for sure. They do have bathrooms here as well, just right there around the corner. And then there is a picnic area, and you can see off in the distance, there's that trail that winds around through this part of the park. And to see all 3 of the parts of the park, it took about 3 hours. All 3 locations are great to see, so get out there and check them out.